Hi, I'm Mark Parsons, Chief Economist at ATB Financial.
I'm Neil Ternovatsky, and I lead the commercial real estate team at ATB.
And we're here to talk about tariffs as they relate to the real estate sector.
In the near term, if we look at a house or a multifamily project, looking at the supply chain, we think that sort of 10 to 15% of the supply chain is for materials that are procured out of the US. And when I say materials, it's a lot of the durable items. So think about appliances, some of the mechanical components, fixtures, that sort of thing. All told, we think that that could increase the price of a home or a multifamily project 3 to 5%. Longer term, what we're more concerned about, not so much the supply side, but the demand side of the equation. So what's it actually going to do for the demand for new housing product, for new commercial properties, industrial space, et cetera?
Yeah, so what you have is, on the one hand, higher costs from the tariffs, also some employment losses, because we do expect that if these continue, that these export-based companies will have to make difficult decisions, maybe shed some of their payrolls. So that's going to put downward pressure on demand. That's kind of the pull side of the equation. But on the push side, you have these lower rates.
I would say, firstly, focus on what you can control. So if you've got a construction project coming up, look at your contingency that you've built in. You could potentially see some upward cost pressures. What is your liquidity going into a project? Is your lease up going to take longer? Or you could potentially have higher costs as a result of the tariff war. And also, we're talking to our clients, sensitizing their forecasts.
We don't know what the next year is going to hold, but be able to plan for various scenarios.
Yep.
If the trade war continues over the next year and a half, which is kind of a likely scenario right now, it seems, or if it ends, don't plan on the best case. I guess that's what you're saying.
Absolutely.
Don't expect that these tariffs are going to come off anytime soon.
Yeah, it's the old saying, plan for the worst and hope for the best.
This has been so good, I need to stumble.
I didn't do this stumbling on purpose, so.